Oh, now it's recording. Anyway, welcome to this video. Today I'm doing some sidecar bits. I've already skipped a couple of steps because I wasn't recording, but let's see where I'm up to. Wheel off, jacked up. And what we're doing? Well, you can probably see from the title. Trying to fit a new shock. So let's see how we go. Top bolt needs to come undone, and then there's a bottom bolt that needs to come undone. Not sure if I need to move this out the way or how to do that, but we'll cross that bridge in a minute, probably. Okay, there's not enough room to back this bolt out. The reason why they do this is so that if that nut comes undone, this doesn't go anywhere. However, I'll have to remove this thing, and I think it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rusty bolts to get off. Okay, I'm sure this will go fine. Ooh. Right, so I freed the top bit. That wasn't easy. After I undid that bolt there, and this bolt there, and this one here, I had just enough of flex to push the bolt back far enough to release it. It's going to be a job getting it back in, but that's a later problem, I think. But yeah, that's a really tight fit in there. And now, just got to get this bottom bolt off. And this one down here seems to be very, very stuck. I don't know if it's threaded or not. I haven't got enough room to get the ugga-dugga behind it. I don't know. Right, crack on. Try to get this off and then sand all this down, hopefully. Oh, someone phoning me. Right, so I let this bottom bolt soak for about 20 minutes in WD-40, and now I can turn it. Before, I was going to tip the whole sidecar over. Right, so I don't think it's threaded though, so it should just pull out, but it's not. But it is turning. And turning is a very good sign of breaking all the rust free, so hopefully get this sucker out. So let's give it a few gentle love taps as well.
2 hours later.
Okay, this was like, there's no thread on it, but it's just rusty and was very, very stuck. I think I've mullered the thread on the top. We'll see how that goes. Oh, one old shock. Yeah, this can be fun now. I've got to get the new one in. And there's no flex on this at all. This thing is rock solid. So, yeah, that's going to be interesting to get that in. Clean up in here. Give it a coat of Hammerite. So I'm just going to clean this up. Hammerite all of this. Make it all clean for when the new stuff goes in. Right. Right, not too bad in there. Cleaned it up a bit. Got rid of most of the loose rust, I think. It's basically just down to surface metal now, pretty much. Right, let's get in there with some lovely Hammerite. Right then, I think I'll leave this to dry for another day. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, so this is where we're up to. So lovely and dry. Got to get that shock back in now. Easier said than done. So it really was easier said than done. To get this thing to compress, I tried zip ties, it didn't work. I had to message Motorshed Terry to say, I'm stuck, what do I do? He said, try as a ratchet. Didn't have a ratchet to hand, so I used the old shock and used it as like a tourniquet, twisted it round and round, compressed the spring just enough so I could slide it in. Oh, this is a job I never ever want to repeat or do again. Right then, let's finish up. Put everything back together. Ugh. Whew, what a pain in the job this has been. Some new cotter pins. There we are, new cotter pins installed. There we go. Right, get this drum back on, clean it up a bit, put it all back on. Oh, hard work all this. Here's the real tricky part. Putting this wheel back on. Well, for starters, we have to get it the correct way round. For starters. It's clean in there. I've just changed my gloves. Put some fresh gloves on so I don't get grease on there. Just re-grease the axle. I have to actually let the tyre down to get it in. I don't know. Right, hopefully I've got enough flex now to get this in. Yes! Yes, I do. Oh. Oh. Where's my ratchet boy gone? Here it is. Right, where's the split pin hole? Brakes working on that. Put the hubcap back on. Cool, that goes on really easily. Doesn't come off easy. Right, I just need to pump this tyre up now. Alright then. And I think this seems a bit more firmer now. So that should be a more comfortable ride. But that can wait for another day. As you can hear, it is absolutely chucking it. I ain't taking it out today. Oh, that's a hard job. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, whatever. Catch you next one. Oh, I need a rest after that. That was hard work.